How to delete your Beelinguapp account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Beelinguapp and thinking about deleting your account, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Beelinguapp application on your mobile device or your tablets, and once you're inside the home page after logging in, go to the More button at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the More menu, look for Delete Account button from the expanded menu. Click on Delete Account and click Delete Account once again in the pop-up. Now wait for a couple of minutes and you'll be able to delete your account right away. Remember, after you delete your account, your progress and data will be lost. You won't be able to recover your account later, whether you are switching apps or just taking a break. Now you know exactly how to delete your account the right way. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.